It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Features include turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming mirrors, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, smartphone wireless charging, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.